Assalamu alaikum, dear students. The topic we are going to discuss today is from chapter 1, Evolution of Computer. The textbooks we follow in grade 9 is textbooks of Computer Science grade 9. Today we will discuss the definition of computer, evolution of computer, the abacus, Napier-Stone, slide rule, the Pascaline, the difference engine, analytical engine, the Mark I. Now, what is computer? A computer is a programmable machine that receives input, stores and manipulates data, and provides output as useful format. As you can see, 2 plus 5 is an input, process is equal to, and the output is the answer of 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Evolution of computer. The abacus. The computer has evolved through centuries. From the time the man first started using arithmetic, he had been inventing devices to handle numbers. One of the earliest and simplest computing devices was abacus, developed around 3000 BC. Abacus was the earliest calculating device, most probably invented in China. A simple abacus is a rectangular wooden frame carrying several parallel wires. Each wire supports number of beads. These beads are free to handle along the length of wires. When counting, handling, each bead below represents a digit. It has been used in China and some other Asian countries till the end of 20th century. Abacus is still seen at some toy shops made for plastic or wooden for small children. The Napier-Stone. In 1614, John Napier invented algorithms and device called Napier-Stone. It consisted of wooden box containing rotating cylinders, each of which had the digits from 0 to 9. It could multiply, divide, and find square roots of numbers by using simple addition and subtraction. The slide rule. Napier's idea of logarithm gave birth to another very useful calculating device called slide rule based on idea of logarithm. English mathematician William Arthur developed a device called slide rule in 1614. A slide rule consists of two scales, rule and a slide, and a transparent moving piece called cursor. Slide rule used primarily for multiplication and division, and also for scientific functions such as roots, logarithms, and trigonometry, but it is not normally used for addition or subtraction. The Pascaline. The Pascaline, designed and built by French mathematician, philosopher Blaise Pascal between 1642 when he was 19 years old. Pascaline used rotating wheels. Each wheel had 10 parts having digits from 0 to 9. Calculations were performed by rotating the wheels. When one wheel completes a rotation, the next wheel moves by one digit. It could only do addition and subtractions, with numbers being entered by multiplicating its tiles. The difference engine, an automatic mechanical calculator designed to tabulate polynomial functions. By 1822, the English mathematician Charles Babbage, who is considered as father of computer today, was proposing a system-driven calculating machine the size of a room. Analytical engine. The analytical engine is a machine first proposed by Charles Babbage in 1837. It could be programmed to evaluate a wide range of arithmetical expressions. The machine had to be fully automated. His analytical engine consisted of 5 units: store, mill, control, input, output. Store means storing the data, mill process the data, control the flow of data. Input was used to enter the data, output, as you know, display the data. Babbage's analytical engine could not be completed due to the under-development technology of his time, but he laid the foundation stone for the development of modern digital computers. The Hollerith tabulating machine. The electromechanical tabulator was developed in 1890s. On the tabulator desk to the right is a press-like device which could bring an array of pins into contact with a punch card. You can see the picture of tabulating machine and the punch card. The Mark I, the first large-scale automatic digital computer in the USA by Howard Aiken, built at IBM and shipped to Harvard in February 1944. It could add 3 numbers having 8 digits in 1 second. It could print out its result on punch cards or on the electric typewriter. Conclusion of this lecture is, since computer evolution is a continuous process, it has not stopped in modern era. New systems are being developed to provide voice recognition and understand natural languages. High-performance computing. High-performance computing is being used in today's data centers for fast data processing. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a concept of 5th generation computers. The concept of cloud computing has been introduced for storing and accessing data programs over the internet instead of computers' hard drive. The evolution of computers will probably continue till their processing capability have become equal to human intelligence or even beyond that. I hope you understand this lecture very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.